Ratchet bitch.
Okay guys, this is the water laughing challenge. So
we gotta make each other laugh within 30 seconds, and if you spit the water out, you lose, and each person gets a point every time. There's gonna be like 4 rounds, 2 each round.
And if we have a tie, we'll just keep going. So.
And whoever loses has to pour a bucket of ice on them.
So, okay.
Okay.
Who's first?
I don't know.
Okay. Get your cup in the water.
But I don't know what to make you laugh for. Like
I'm making you laugh first. Go.
Okay.
Oh God.
I'm already laughing. And you have to fill it up to like you're all the way.
Come on, we'll just drink it. We gotta go. One point for me.
Yeah, my cheeks got really tight.
Okay, now it's my turn. 1 point for Tristan.
Okay,
woo,
spit
woo.
that way. Spit that way, because I spit on my phone and your MacBook.
Are you fucking kidding me? Okay.
Okay, put your hands. Okay. Okay.
Starting now. Another point for me. 2 for Tristan, 1 for Hannah.
Kiss my booty, bitches! Kiss my booty, bitches! Kiss my booty, bitches!
This is just too easy for us. Okay, go.
My mouth hurts. Okay, that's the second round.
I gotta take my socks off. Come on. La, 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 la.
That face will get me every time.
Okay. 3 points for Tristan, 2 for Hannah.
It's cold. No. I didn't hear you do that shit.
I'm about to
That's cold. Okay, your MacBook's over there, she's wet.
Okay guys, that was our water challenge, and I guess that Hannah won, apparently.
I got sweat on my face and it's dripping in my mouth.
Okay, you ready? Well, we'll see you next Friday. You ready?
Peace out, bitches.
Look, hold on, watch me do my step. Hold on, watch me do my step.